Hello everyone, welcome to all on my YouTube channel Language of Chemistry. On my previous video we have discussed the concepts from chemical kinetics, and now today's lecture we are going to start some important question that has been asked during the entrance exams. So student, let's proceed with the first question of today's topic. The reaction is given that 3A give us 2B. The rate of reactions dB by dt is equals to what? Student, this question is asked in IIT's 2003 exam. Student, जैसा कि हमने बोला था रिएक्टेंट एंड प्रोडक्ट के कॉन्सेंट्रेशन को हम लोग कैसे लिखते हैं, डी ए बाई डी टी एंड डी बी बाई डी टी. नाउ स्टूडेंट, हमारा रिएक्टेंट क्या है, ए. सो जब भी हम रिएक्टेंट का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन को लिखते हैं तो वहाँ पे हम क्या साइन इंडिकेट करते हैं, निगेटिव. वाई? बिकॉज इट इज़ बीइंग कंज्यूम. और जब भी हम प्रोडक्ट के लिए लिखते हैं विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू प्रोडक्ट तो रेट क्या लिखते हैं, डी बी बाई डी टी. ओके. नाउ स्टूडेंट, मैंने वीडियोस में बोला था, वीडियोस के लेक्चर्स में, दैट जो भी हमारा स्टोमेट्रिक रहता है तो उसको हम किस में लिखते हैं, डिनोमिनेटर में. ओके. सो इट विल बी व्हाट, 1/3 एंड दिस विल बी व्हाट, 1/2. सॉरी स्टूडेंट, विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू बी दिस इज व्हाट, 2. सो इट विल बी 2 and this will be what, 3. Okay. Now it is asking about what, dB by dt. So this is dB by dt. It will be what, 2/3. So our answer will be what, 2/3. That is what, option number B. Okay student, this will be what, -2/3. Now coming to the next question. Here the reaction is given N2 plus thrice of H2 give us ammonia, twice of ammonia molecule. Okay student, now it is asking to express the concentration term rate loss with respect to N2, H2 and NH3. So as per the previous question we can do the same. First write the rate expression for all this. So for N2 it will be what, N2 is our reactant molecule, then it will be what, minus dN2 upon dt. Okay. Similarly for H2 it will was minus dH2 upon dt, and similarly for the NH2. Now here NH3 is what, our product. So in case of product there will be no, it will be what, positive sign. Okay student, so write all these things. Now as I said, जो भी हमारा स्टोमेट्रिक है उसको क्या लिखने का, डिनोमिनेटर टर्म्स में. यहाँ पे 1 है, सो 1 इट विल बी द सेम. over here 3, so it will be what, 1/3. For ammonia 1/2. Okay. Now arrange this equation, it will be what, N2 1/3 and this is, that means what, option number A. Okay student, and this question asking what, IIT's 2003 also. Now coming to the third questions. Student, for a chemical reactions dash can never be fraction. So student, during our lectures of chemical kinetics we have discussed that molarity can never be in fraction, and all of these order, half life and rate constant can be what, fractional, whole number. Okay, but this molecularity will never be in fractions. Okay student, now coming to the next question. What is the order of reaction which has the rate law? This one. Okay, and this is question asked in December 2000. So student, as we know the rate law, basics of rate law, that is what, k a to the power x b to the power y. Now here x is what, 3/2 and y is what, -1/2, and you know that order is what, x plus y. Okay, so here 3/2 plus -1/2, then it will be what, 1/2. So that's a answer. Okay student, so this kind of question is asked during the entrance exams, and that is very easy to score. Only the need you to be patient. Now coming to the next question, which is also the similar kind of questions, that we have previously discussed, that twice of N2O5 give us 4 times NO2 plus O2. Now what is the ratio of decomposition of N25 and rate of formation of NO2? So student, what is asking about the ratio of decomposition rate of N2O5 and the formation rate of NO2. So here I have written what? N2O5, okay, to rate of NO2. Okay student, now see in the reactions what it is given, that 2 mole of NO2 react to form 4 mole of NO2. That means what? Suppose this is reaction is happening in 1 hour. So in 1 hour what is happening, यहाँ पे 2 मोल ऑफ NO2 रिएक्ट हो रहे हैं, तो फॉर्म कितना हो रहा है? 4 मोल ऑफ NO2. दैट मीन्स किसका स्पीड फास्ट है? NO2 का. किससे? N2O5 से. एंड दैट इज हाउ मच? इट इज 2 times more. So the ratio will be what? 1/2. And here is your answer, option number D. Okay student. Now coming toward one more important and very important questions that has been repeatedly asked during the entrance exams. So have a look. For a reaction, that means we have a given reaction A plus B giving us C and D. Now what it is saying, if concentration of A is doubled without altering that of B, that means what? अगर A का concentration double कर दे and B का concentration same ही रखे, so what happened? Rate of reaction doubles. Okay. Now and the sentence it is saying that in spite of taking the concentration of B increase 9 times. Okay. अभी क्या बोल रहे हैं? अभी B का concentration 9 times more किया and keeping the concentration of A same. Okay. Rate triples. तभी रेट क्या हो जा रहे हैं? रेट 3 गुना ज़्यादा हो जा रहा है. Then what is the order of reaction? Okay student. So as we know the rate law, rate equals to K, A to the power X, B to the power Y. So from the first condition what it is saying, the rate is doubled when the concentration of A is doubled. Okay. So compare 1 and 2 and we will get what? Look over here. This rate will cancel out. This is also cancel out. So what you can write to this? 2A to the power X. You can write it what? To the power X and A to the power X. Now here also 8 and A will get cancel. और फिर हमारे पास क्या बचेगा? 2 to the power X equals to 2. Now जब भी हमारे बेसिस क्या रहते हैं? सेम रहते हैं, तो हम उसके पावर को क्या करते हैं? कंपेयर. यहाँ पे X क्या है? 2 का पावर क्या है? X. यहाँ पे 2 का पावर क्या है? 1. ओके. सो X के वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा? X इक्वल्स टू 1. सिमिलरली अगर हम सेकेंड कंडीशन अप्लाई करेंगे तो व्हाट इट इज सेइंग, रेट क्या हो जा रहा है? 3 गुना ज़्यादा हो रहा है व्हेन concentration of B is increased by 9 times. Okay student. So similarly if you compare question 1, equation number 1 and 3, then what you will get? Look over here. Thrice of rate K times this and upon rate equals to this. Okay. So this rate will get cancelled, A to the power X and this one. Also here you can write 9 to the power Y, B to the power Y, and by get cancelled and get what? 9 to the power 1. Now you can write what? To this 9 square, and this will be what? 3 to the power 2 1. Also here bases are what? Same. Then you can compare to index. Okay. So it will be what? 2y equals to 1. So y will be what? 1/2. And we know order क्या होता है हमारा? X plus y. So it will be what? 1 plus 1/2. That is what? 3/2. And your option will be what? 1 is to 1/2. That is what? 3/2. Okay.